Sulod hindi, si katawa. Welcome to live chat. Saan ako pabasa kung magtakil eh? Ito sa sige sulod sa din saan ako pabasa. Oh. Ang saan ako pagkakita? Hello, Christine. Christine, thank you, thank you. Ay, saan may pag-invite tayo? First live, thank you. One watching, supportive friend. Huwag lagi ka mag-invite.
Tara, nag-live si Mami Chika.
Si Sarah. Wala na here. Good, watcher. Kaway. Pero, kasi na lagi ikaduha dahi. Lagi na ako makita. Saan na?
Hello, magkaway-kaway.
Kaway. Tanawa, ikaw na, kananduha. Wala no? Saan na? Kapag kabasa.
Ano?
Trupod. Ano nanduha mo? Watching. Ito. Ikaw ugas ko? Ano sa tanin mo dahi? Pwede, jud ko kabalo. All messages are visible. Live chat. Welcome to live chat. Anak rin na. Magsigil akong tuplok anak.
Tara,
Pero mabasa na ako.
Ay, di naman. Paano muna? Nag-live sa TV. Tapos gamit ko rin.
Hello idol, kaagutay no. Hi, Case Queen.
Invite kuya.
Bago lang po ako.
First time.
Hindi ko alam kung anong dapat gawin. Thank you. Thank you, kaagutay no. If may laptop po, pwede gamitin habang nag-live sa CP. Tapos gamit ko rin yung account ko para ma-add. Hello po, okay po. Have a nice day. Salamat po sa time. Maulan po kasi nasa mall kami. Nang Shatin, maulan sa labas. Hello, badit matuko. Hi. Baguhan, wala kabalo. Charot-charot lang. Hi. Badit, matukol of UK. Filipino in UK, guys.
Badit matukol.
Salamat, JP Vlog. Salamat. Welcome. Badit matukol, JP. Nasa UK. Filipino in UK.
Vlogs, thumbs up.
Kiss Queen, nasa Hong Kong. Kaibigan ko. Amigo na po mga kabisaya. Case Queen. Badit matukol sa UK. JP Vlog. Salamat kaagutay mo. Salamat kaayo sa time. Inani dahil di ko kabalo. Unsaon pag butang on nang mag-blue. Salamat po. Salamat idol. Unsaon idol? JP Vlog. Salamat kaayo.
Saan pagpa-jacket?
JP, asay buhaton ako aning magpa-jacket daw. Badet matukol, hello. Hello daw, Case Queen. Si highlight. Kaysa Badit matukol. Si Case Queen. Hello po lahat, mega shout out. Hello JP Vlogs. Shout out, shout out. Shout out mo. Andyan si Badit matukol from the UK. Case Queen, Hong Kong.
Badit matungkol daw.
Badit matukol. Badit matukol.
Tamsak na.
Tamsak daw ni Case Queen ang name ng channel. Tapos sa baba may add as moderator. Luka ng name daw. Tapos may moderator. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, salamat. Salamat. Oh, natuplok na. Badit matukol. Okay, thank you. Kaagutay mo. Salamat kaayo. Thank you so much sa pagtudlo, JP Vlogs, Case Queen. Thank you. Nakuana na gyud natud-an. Dahil badit matukol sa UK. Badit matukol si Case Queen, okay na daw. JP Vlogs, thank you so much sa pagtudlo. Kabisaya ba ka, Jape? Oh, salamat kaayo.
Ay, pag
Yes.
nani-blue siya.
Lahat po kayo may jacket na. Magja-jacket na po lahat. Yung mga giniginaw, pwede nang mag-jacket. Salamat po. Salamat po kaagutay no sa pagturo. Kasi first time ko talaga to, sabi ko mag-aano lang ako. Ay, lalakasan ko po yung buhos. Bawal kasi nasa mall kami, maulan at saka lahat naka-mask. So JP Vlogs, ayan na, JP Vlogs. Case Queen, si Case Queen po ay kaibigan ko, lagi po pong kasama, and mabilis din to, mabilis. Badit matukol po from UK, Filipino in UK. Kaagutay no, saan ka nga? Nakalimutan ko. JP Vlog, salamat. Hello Marcel. Marcel TV guys, Kabisaya, mga Kabisaya, kaway. Si Marcel ay bibigyan ko na. Marcel, may jacket ka na din, Marcel. Ay, sorry. Marcel, may jacket ka na. Is na, yeah. Thank you. Salamat sa inyo. Halalingaw din. Kaago tayo no from Palawan. Kaago tayo no pag napasyal kami sa Palawan, igala mo naman kami ni Case Queen. Lagi kaming magkasama ni Case Queen. Marcel, andito si Case Queen. Sa wakas nga. Marcel, sabi nila pag may jacket na daw, pwede na daw Kaya nga, gusto namin pumunta. Kasama yung anak ko, pero wala akong idea kung anong meron sa Palawan. Soon, sana. Case Queen, unahan mo na. Ludi, sabi ni JP Vlogs.
Oh, okay na.
Si JP Vlogs, sabi ni Case Queen,
Okay na siya.
okay ka na daw po. Binigyan ka na rin niya po ng jacket kasi nilalamig ka daw. Salamat sa inyo guys, sa inyong apat. Sa first ko, at least walang zero. Mag-iiwan lang po ng bakas kay Sweet Queen, sabi ni JP.
Bakas ng
JP, nagbabakas daw po lagi si Case Queen. Salamat po. Salamat po sa inyo. Badit Matukol po, guys. Badit Matukol is from UK. Filipino in UK. Salamat sa pagtudlo. Kung unsaon ako ni, salamat kaayo. Salamat po diri sa akong first live. Ako kabaloon sa ibuhaton, pero salamat kaayo, guys.
kaagutay mo.
Kaagutay no.
Ang gawin ako.
Kaagutay no. Papunta na daw po si Case Queen sa iyo. Kubo. Yan po yung salamat kaayo, Sel. Marcel TV, salamat kaayo. Chaka, ulo ko do. Pero okay ra. Nara ang view, guys. Seconds lang po yan, mga idol. Ay, salamat. Kaagutay no. Si Kaagutay no, guys. Mabilis lang po daw ito. So, guys, Kaagutay no. Sa underneath, guys. Alam nyo na po yung gagawin. Para hindi po tayo mapalo at mapagalitan. Ito mo yung view, guys. Ipapakita ko lang. Kaagutay no. Case Queen is saying hi to you. Kaagutay no. Marcel is saying hi to you. Kaagutay no. Papunta na ng Palawan si Marcel TV. Marcel TV, guys. Mabilis din yan. Marcel TV. Mga idol, hello. Actually, mga kaagutay no. Halos mostly sa amin or sa kanila is Bisaya, mga kabisaya. So, ang dami mo ng friends na Bisaya. Ha? Kaagutay no? Si Badet Matokol ng UK is Bisaya din. Alam niyo na yung gagawin. Ang bilis ni Case Queen, guys. Anong dapat gagawin? Salamat dito at mamimigay ng jacket. Mga idol, hello. Hello daw po, Kaagutay no. Mag-hi sa'yo si Case Queen at si Marcel TV. Ngayon, mabilis lang po to kasi first nga ang live. So, hindi ko alam yung gagawin. Thank you sa pagtuturo, Kaagutay no. Balit Matukol. Hindi ko alam kung anong dapat kong gawin, pero at least the next time, alam ko na. At pag-aaralan kung ano yung bawal. Kaagutay no, si Marcel po. Agutaynin. Muyang hapon, ibig sabihin magandang hapon. Ah, okay po. Salamat po. Hindi namin alam. Parang ang hirap po. Kaagutay no. Ang hirap naman po ng dialect. Pero, susubukan ko pong magtagalog. Kaap. Nagko-code po si Case Queen, guys. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano sinasabi niya. Kaap daw.
Kaagutay mo yun.
Kaagutay na daw yan.
Saan?
Kaagutay no. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi ni Case Queen. Pero ang sabi niya daw, ikaw daw po yun. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. At sana lahat po ay safe. Diyan sa Palawan, dito sa Hong Kong, sa UK, at saan pa man. Hi nga pala sa lahat ng OFW, guys, at sa mga migrants na Filipinos all over the world. Kahit 5 pa lang kayo. Thank you so much, guys. Marcel, saan na ba yung iba? Kaluo, iba. Okay. Opo, andito po ako, hindi pa ako. Ay, oo. Sabi po ni Case Queen, okay lang daw po. At nag-iwan naman daw po siya ng bakas Kaagutay, no? Mamaya na lang daw po. Salamat. Salamat. Sa Palawan ba Kaagutay, no? Ano, okay na? Na parang yung quarantine, okay na ba? Haha, Marcel TV, oo nga. Tsaga-tsaga lang, first time naman din eh. At least hindi zero at andito ka. Salamat kaayo. Okay ba sa inyong lugar, guys? Hindi na ba kayo naka-ECQ? Rock TV in Sri Lanka. Wow, guys,
Invite
Rock
mo.
TV in Sri Lanka, thank you so much for being here. You already have a jacket. Welcome to Filipino community. They are so friendly. Rock TV in Sri Lanka, thank you so much. I do appreciate your presence here. So we have Case TV, we have Case Queen, we have JP's TV, Marcel, oh GCQ pa dyan. Dito sa Hong Kong okay lang, nakakagala kahit may mga bata, pero yung mask lang talaga kailangan. Yan yung background, nandito kami, nasa mall kami, maulan, hindi kami makalabas. Yan, sa likod, yan sa likod. Si Case Queen, sandali lang po idol, punta muna sa mga katrupa natin. Okay lang po, kaagot tayo no, salamat. Yan po si from Sri Lanka guys, huwag kalimutan. Hello guys. Bumisita lang po siya ng madalian, pero at least yung effort niya, highly appreciated po yan lagi. Oh, si Marcel TV guys, nagbibigay na po ng kanyang, pwede ko bang sabihin yun? Hindi. Nagbigay na po siya ng kanyang jacket kasi parang nilalamig daw yung lahat guys. Pakitingnan lang sa baba. Underneath guys, please. Marcel TV and Kaagot tayo no. Mabibilis nan po yan. Tested and proven. Rock TV Sri Lanka. Hello there. Marcel TV is saying hello to you. Rock TV of Sri Lanka. Hello to all Sri Lankans people. I hope you're all fine, safe and sound. We're here in Hong Kong. We're good, thanks God. So, hope we're all safe, guys. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Rock TV Sri Lanka, our friend Case Queen will give you a jacket too. Are you still there? Say hi. Yes, magkasama kami ng Case Queen na to. Andito siya. She's so busy. Hello. Support system. Si Case Queen support system. Umakyat kami ng 10,000 Buddhas. Mamaya mag-upload ako ng bagong video. Daming tao, maulan, mga ano pa lang. Mali yata yung oras. Mag-aalas 6 ng hapon. Mamaya uwian na. Kuskus na naman bukas. Kois TV. Kois TV guys. Kois TV is here. Saan ka na, Kois? Kois, ka lang. Kois TV, may jacket ka na, Kois. Ako si Bidzay. Hello, Bidzay. Bidzay, hello. May mga jacket na po kayo, guys. Hi, Bidzay. Hi, Kois. Badit matukol, guys. Tambay, Bisaya, guys. Kabisaya from the UK. Koy, Marcel, Badit matukol from the UK. Salamat kaayo sa pagtudlo. Hi, Koy, at last. Koy vlog, guys, Kabisaya, at last. Thank you for the encouragement, Koy. Shout out, Bisaya. Shout out, mga Kabisaya. Case Queen is here. Rock TV Sri Lanka. Case Queen saying hi to you. Hello po. Hi. Ito po yung view. Naulanan po kami, so nakikuupo here. Wala. Naka-jacket na ako si Bidzay. Naka-jacket na ka. Marcel TV, okay na po. Maya-maya konti, kaagot tayo no, ng Palawan, guys. Boy vlog, meron na yan. Badit matukol, Marcel TV is saying hi to you. Salamat sa warm welcome host. Salamat, ako si Bidzay. First time ko po mag-live. Hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin. Pero thank you to Badit Matukol of the UK. of the UK and kaago tayo no para magturo sa akin. So, hello, Explore with Easy guys, a Filipino in Denmark. Thank you for the time. Salamat kaayo. OMG. Shout out from Riyadh pala ako si Bidzai. Hong Kong kami ako si Bidzai. Si Explore with Easy is from Denmark. Badet Matukol is from the UK. Si Case Queen is from Hong Kong. Koi Vlog is from Canada. Hi Koi! Char kaayo. Char mo lang. Salamat, ako si Bitsay at alam mo na ang gagawin ni Mami after this. Salamat kaayo. Lahat po kayo may jacket na dahil kayo po ay andito sa aking kubo. Push na push ko na to, Koy. Ikaw nag-encourage sa akin dito. So, ito po yung kaibigan kong shout out sa lahat from Badit Matugol of the UK, guys. Be beautiful. Hey, welcome. Ako si Bichay. Hello. Ikaw na naman. Next time sa'yo. Pag kayo na naman, ako na naman yung manunood, guys. So, ito na yung aking background. Thank you for watching. And I do appreciate your time. English pa. Hindi, guys. Nagtatagalog ako kahit mostly Bisaya dito. Kasi si kaagot tayo is pang Palawan. Hindi niya alam yung shout out Koy Vlog Koy. Nagsa-shout out si Hey David Bracken. Hello my friend international David Bracken. They're asking where are you from? David Bracken is a good friend of mine. You already have a jacket. Thank you so much for being here, Sir David Bracken. Thank you so much. They already have the jacket. They have Sir David. They have Koi Vlog there. They're a good friend. And they're oh yeah, Sir David is from Brisbane, Australia. I hope you're all safe there, Sir David. Sir David, welcome to Filipino community. There's Badef Matukol from the UK, Case Queen from Hong Kong, Koi Vlog, Rock TV of Sri Lanka, Marzel TV of the Philippines, and Koi Kaagutayno. Hello, sir. Hiya everyone. Hiya everyone daw, sabi ni Sir David. Thank you so much, Sir David, for being here. We do appreciate, and all Filipinos love you. So thank you so much. This is my first live. So, Case Queen, okay na po. Sabi ni Kaagutayno. Maraming salamat Kaagutayno. Here's Sir David Bracken from Australia. So, puntahan natin. Hi, Sir David Bracken. Case Queen is saying hi to you. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you for everything, for always being there on my journey. And welcome to Filipino community. Hello, Peace Queen. Hello, Sir David is saying hi to you. Okay na po, idol. Mamaya, iba-iba ng konti. Yes, hintay lang po. Don't worry, Kaagutayno. They're so patient. Patient lang po. Thank you so much. Badit Matukal of the UK, Marcel TV saying hi to you. Naghatag na siya jacket dam. So later guys, magbakas lang. David Bracken. Case Queen is saying hi to you. Shout out sa'yo, bebe. Say hi, kaway. Case Queen is here. Very busy 8 AM na, mami. Si Gara-Gara Marcel. JP Vlogs. Ako si Betsay from Saudi Arabia saying hi to you. Marcel and Case Queen, hintay lang ng kunti. Sabi ni Badit Matukol from the UK. Hintay lang. Patience is the... What's that? Ayoko na lang. Koy vlog. Sabi ni Badit Matokol of the UK. Hintay-hintay lang ng konti saying hi to you. Hi guys. Sharing is caring po. Sana lahat po tayo is safe. And Sir David, hello langga. Hello langga.
Hello,
Wow.
Sir David.
May palangga-langga pa si Koy Vlog. Koy Vlog, thank you so much for the encouragement of Canada. Koy Vlog from Canada. Ilang oras ka live host? Hindi ko alam kung
Kakape na kami
ilang
mamaya
oras to.
eh.
Kasi sabi ni Case Queen, magkakape na kami. Patience is a virtue, pero kape panagsa. True. And ulaw is real, but I have to do this. Marcel, ikaw na sunod day. Ikaw na po'y sunod mag-inani. Kanya kami na po ang Hi, explore with easy guys from Denmark. Filipino and Denmark. Explore with easy. There's David Bracken of Australia. Okay naman day ati. Okay gani no? Bagag na. Koy, 30 minutes or 1 hour kaya yan. Kakayanin ko. Thank you so much. Maaga pa naman. Oo nga, maaga pa. Kasi si Case Queen gusto nang magkape. Anong gagawin ko dito? Hello, Koy Bebe. Hello, Koy Bebe. Sabi ni Case Queen. Magkakape na daw kami, Koy. Puhon, mami. Yes, puhon, Marcel. Ikaw talaga ang next. Or si Koy, or si Case Queen. Kahit sino dato. Oh, si Badat Matukol pala, guys, from the UK. Is gumagawa din ng ganito. So, tayo naman sa kanya. Okay guys, easy hi. Sabi ni Case Queen, nag-hi si Easy. Si Case kay Easy, kaya kaayo na niyan. Ay, kaya kay si Koy. Si Koy pa. Hi Koy, ipa-feel ang first live. Support ka sa kanya. Ay, ha. Gani, tapos, ipa-feel. Ipa-feel Case Queen, guys. Have a break, have a KitKat, sabi ni Kiss Queen. Magkakape na daw. Thank you. Hi, Kiss Queen. Hi, Kiss Queen. Kaway. Shout out, Marcel TV. Shout out, sabi ni Koy. Kita-kits daw mamayang gabi. Mamayang gabi may mangyayari. Bisaya na lang to. Bisaya. Here, Sir David. Sir David is from Australia. I want...
Koy.
Shout out, Madam. Shout out, Madam. Marcel, Madam daw, sabi ni Koy. Oy, guys, there's, si Kaago tayo, guys, is from Palawan. Oh,
Yun ako, mag-invite ako ha.
Badit Matukol, guys. Puntahan natin siya, guys, kasi nagumagawa din siya ng ganito, guys. Nagbigay na siya ng jacket, kaya hindi ano na lang, scan underneath. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Ano man kung magtagalog, manggudoy? Diyos ko. Masaya paggabi. Kaya nga, nasa gabi ang kasiyahan, guys. Alam niyo yan.
Isa ka, mag-invite sa ako ha.
Sir David Bracken, hello. Have a safe day ahead. What time is in Australia right now? I hope you're all fine. Sorry sometimes if we're talking Tagalog or Bisaya, but I'll try to talk in English for you. Thank you so much. Oh, 8:03 p.m. Here's is just 6 p.m. in Hong Kong. Hong Kong and Philippines is just a minute's difference. So, it's just fine. Thank you for being here. That's so sweet of you. There's Case Queen and Sir David. There's Badet Matukol from the UK. Welcome to Filipino community. Case Queen. Koy Vlog. Yeah. Yes, that's true, Sir David. We have to be diverse and all be friends. Thank you so much for being so sweet. Hi guys, ganyan lang kayo. Sana huwag kayong mainip sa aking live na walang ka-consequence. Teka lang guys, nagcha-charge lang po. Thank you so much, Sir Badit matukol. All good friends speak other languages as well. Wow! I only speak a little bit of English, Tagalog, and Bisaya. Oh, I do speak Kuwaitis, but not as fluent as they are, but I do understand them. Standby po, Mami, no props. Thank you, Marcel. Maaasahan mo din. Ang Mami ay ganyan din. Thank you so, so much. Hello, Joanne Extra. Joanne Extra. Don't forget the tamsak is, if you're new in here, I already gave you your jacket. Hi, Koy. Hi, Koy. Sabi, hi, Koy Vlog. Sir David, Koy Vlog is saying hi to you. Sir David is from Australia. Sir David Badut Matukol is from the UK. Already said hi to you. Guys, yung bago, thank you so, so much. First live ko po ito. Thank you so, so much. Joanne, say hi. Joanne Extra. Case Queen is saying hi to you. Thank you so, so much. Joanne, hi. OTW na po daw si Case Queen. David Brocken, Marcel TV saying hi to you, saying hello to you. Hey, Joanne. Joanne Extra, thank you. Welcome here, Joanne. Joanne, just look through underneath, Joanne. Madaming kaibigan, madaming ka-Pilipino, and also Sir David Brocken is from Australia. Thank you so, so much. Queen, let's dance. Let's dance na kayo, Case Queen. Yes, magaling ding sumayaw si Case Queen. Nagzuzumba, nagja-jazz, and whatever. Thank you so, so much, guys. Lahat po tayo ay magiging safe. We have to claim it. Joanne, Case Queen, nagbigay ng jacket si Joanne Extra. Case Queen, have a look. Case Queen is busy, but she's coming, guys. Nagbigay na din daw siya, guys. So, thank you so, so much. Napaka-awkward kasi nasa mall kami, guys. Ito yun.
Nasa daanan kami.
Nasa daanan kami, tapos nagla-live. Okay lang, di ba? Pakapalan ng mukha. So, thank you again, guys. Thank you so much sa nagturo sa akin kung ano yung kalakaran dito. Badit Matokol of the UK. And kaagad tayo, no, kung dapat gawin. Thank you so, so much. Kasi first time ko po, hindi ko alam. Kung ano yung nangyayari, hindi ko alam. Kung nag-start na ba or whatever. So, thank you so, so much. Hanggang sa uulitin. Kakayanin ko to. Pakapala na ng mukha to. Very awkward, guys. Sa totoo lang. Marcel TV is nagbigay na ng jacket, guys. Marcel TV. Just look through underneath, guys. Marcel TV. Joanne Extra is saying hi to Sir David. Joanne Extra, Sir David is from Australia. Welcome, Australia, from the Filipino community. We have from the UK, Matukol. We have from Denmark, Explore with Easy. Case Queen from Canada, Koy Vlog from, Case Queen from Hong Kong, Koy Vlog from Canada. Kaago tayo no is from Palawan. Marcel TV is from United States. Marcel.
Joanne is nabigyan ko
Yes,
na siya ng
Koy.
jacket.
Yes, Koy. Explore ano na oras sa Hong Kong. Ang oras ng Hong Kong ngayon is same lang. 6. Anong oras ngayon? Still pa rin tayo ng time, 6. Anong oras? 6:08. 6:08 p.m. Mami Chigoy, may PM ako pa na Case Queen. Case Queen, may PM daw po si Koy Vlogs. Pansinin mo si Koy Vlogs, si Baby Boy. Baby Boy ng Canada, pakipansin ni Queen.
Joanne Extra.
Case Queen, pakitingnan ng messenger mo, sabi po ni Koy Vlogs. Oo, maliwanag. Maulan kanina, Isel. Maulan. I explore with Easy. Maulan po kanina, naulanan kami. Pero okay lang
Wala
po.
siya kuan.
Ano?
Headset. Ay, ang hina ng boses mo da.
Ah, mahina ba yung boses ko? Meron naman, nasa mall kami. Kailangan ko ba talagang gamitin? Sorry guys. Drop your Drop your jacket, guys. Lahat po dito ay may jacket na, guys. Alam niyo na po yung gagawin. Sir David, Filipino community are
Pabitsit sa...
so happy to have you. Sure po, sure po. Sure po, mag-drop lang po kayo. Thank you so much. At mahina daw po yung boses ko. So, mag-i-earphone lang po ako. Hindi ko alam, mahina pala. So, okay guys, kailangan kong gawin to. Thank you so much for being here guys. Guys, Badit Matukol po from the UK. Nagbigay na po ng kanyang... Guys, pakitingnan lang po. Kaibigan ko po siya. Actually, magkapurok mi guys, sa Bisaya pa. We're in the same village before guys. So, she's in the UK right now. Salamat, Badit Matukol. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Koy. Thank you for your support. Baka bawal yan. Thank you, Koy. Thank you for telling me. Mahina pala yung boses ko. Tama pala si Kaagutay, no. Mahina din pala yung boses ko, guys. Badit Matukol po, guys. Gumagawa din po ng ganito. So, next time tayo naman din sa kanya, guys, ha? Manabi pong isda sa kanila, guys. Magdala lang tagpaon. Okay, guys? Marcel TV noted. Salamat. Salamat. Noted daw. Marcel TV. Salamat. Puntahan nyo, guys, si Badit Matukol. From the UK yan, guys. Thank you so much. Nice view, mami. Yes, ang view yan sa labas yan. Ma-Snoopy World sa labas, maganda sana, kaso maulan. So, nakaupo kami dito sa isang bench. So, we had to find channeling. Oh, it's okay. Welcome back, Sir David Bracken. Guys, Sir David Bracken already gave his jacket, guys. Kindly visit his house na lang, guys. Sir David is a good friend of mine. Right, Sir David? From Australia. Kuy Vlog, Sir David is from Australia. Guys, i-welcome po natin yung foreigners dito sa ating bahay. Case Queen is giving her jacket too, guys. Sir David, Case Queen is from Hong Kong. Kuy Vlog is from Canada. Explore with Easy is from Denmark. Badit Matukol is from the UK. Marcel TV is from the Philippines. And there's Kaagutayno is from Palawan, Philippines too. And ako si Bitcha is from Saudi. Sino pa yan, guys? I-shout out natin. Hello, brother. Welcome. So, thank you, Koy, for welcoming Brother David here. Joanne Extra. Case Queen, may sinasabi po sa Joanne Extra. Ikaw daw po ay kanya ng binigyan ng jacket. You are all from... Yes, Sir David. Filipinos are so hospitable, especially to the foreigners like you. We're so glad to have you. Thank you so much. Marsley, sabi ni Joanne Extra, Marsley, nagbabalik na daw po siya. Joanne, Case Queen, nagti-thank you si Case Queen. Case Queen is laughing beside me. Ano? Koy, ito na, Koy. Ito sa... Case Queen, guys, is always with me. Thank you so much for being here. Badit Matukol from the UK. Sabi ni Joanne Extra, gusto niya daw ikaw drop ng iyong jacket. Guys, Badit Matukol is from the UK. Guys, gumagawa din ng kanito. Pwede tayong pumunta sa kanya. Yes, oh, that's nice to know. Yeah. Thank you for loving Asian people, Sir David Bracken. I wish to be in Australia too, but just in my dreams maybe. But thank you so, so much. Are you... Hey, 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 hey. Lahat ba kayo guys ay nagkape na? Kasi yung katabi ko gusto nang magkape. Sabi ko sandali lang, 20 minutes na lang. David Bracken, ako si Bidzai is saying hi to you. Already gave her jacket to you, Sir David. Thank you so, so much. I hope you guys already had your coffee because I'm a coffee addict too. So, have fun. I know it's too late for a coffee, but if you're a coffee addict, there's no late time, guys. Right? Tinood, guys, di ba? Case Queen, heart, heart, heart. Coffee lover yan, guys. Addict sa kape, guys. Atat na magkape sa 6:15 p.m. Badit matoko, Joanne Extra is saying hi to you guys. Joanne of Saudi Arabia, shout out, shout out. Thank you guys. Grabe kayo makasupport akong Case Queen, guys. Coffee need coffee lol. Yeah, Sir David, I'm a coffee addict. Morning, afternoon, evening, I don't care as long as it's coffee. But I like mine. I like mine without sugar, without creamier. I like pure black only. Because getting old, you have to be fit and healthy. So you have to choose what's your food intake. Yes, it doesn't taste good at first, but it will gonna be fine. Joanne Exton, thank you si Badit Matukol sa'yo. Shout out to 7 million people in the house. Thank you so, so much. Strong coffee. Yeah, I love strong coffee. Before, I don't like strong coffee, but since my mama had diabetes before, so I decided to change my food intake. Ako si Bid say, sorry, I'm a bit slow tonight. It's okay. You have to take. You can take your time, Sir David Brocken. Ako si Bidzai is from Saudi Arabia. Marcel TV is from Philippines. Sir David, she already gave her jacket to you. Yes, Sir David. Ako si Bidzai is saying you can take your time. So it's just fine. Patience is a virtue, as Marcel TV said to me. Pero may gawad magkape, guys. So wala na yung mga memory loss na. Take your time, sir. Sir David, take your time. Ako si Bidsay. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Dave. Till next time, Sir David, don't be tired. I know we're mostly Filipinos here, but you're much welcome in this community. We love foreigners, Sir David, so no worries. Thank you for staying here, for staying with us. We're so pleased to have you. Oh, okay. David Brocken, no, sir. Don't say sir to David Brocken, guys. David is just fine. David Bracken, guys, is from Australia. Please don't say he's here. He doesn't like it. Yes, Koy Vlog. Of course, Sir David is so very pala kaibigan, guys. And he speaks a lot of languages. Sabi niya, he was in Hong Kong and Thailand before. Just to be around happy people. Yes, we are so happy people. Even in this time of the day, it was raining earlier, and hope we are all, guys, okay and safe and sound. Thank you so much, guys. So how's your day? I hope you're all fine. Koy Vlog, sure mate. Yes, Koy Vlog is a good friend of mine, David. He's from Canada, but he's a Filipino. So yeah, David Bracken, Explore with Izzy, is saying hi to you. She said she already gave her jacket to you. So thank you so much. Koy Vlog, who's mom? Case Queen is your mom? Canada, the other Australia. Oh,
I wish to visit those countries, David. Maybe in my dreams, and he has not. Okay. Koi Vlog, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate kaayo Mrs. Rick. Appreciate kaayo Koi. Koi Vlog, I don't know a lot in this bracket. Thanks, man. Koi Vlog is saying thank you to you, David of Australia. Guys, nagkape na ba mula tanan? Ako si Bidzay on my way. Ako si Bidzay, Marcel TV. Papunta na si Marcel TV sa iyong kubo. Sa Canadians are churches of very similar nature and so many. Oh, that's nice to know, David. I don't know that because I've I've been to just Pwede push mo lang yan, mami. Oo nga, Koy Vlog, thank you so much. Oh, David Bracken, I only speak Tagalog and Bisaya and a little bit of Kuwaiti. I can understand Kuwaiti because I was in Kuwait before for 3 years. So, I know how to speak Kuwaiti. Marcel TV, ma'am, thank you. Salamat. Ako si Bitsay. Salamat din. Marcel TV is a good friend of mine. Salamat kaayo. Ako si Bitsay is from Saudi Arabia. Salamat kaayo. Saudi Arabia, wow, we can talk Arabic now. But I think Arabic in Saudi and Kuwait are much different. Ako si Bitsay Sadiq. Hello, assalamualaikum. Ako si Bitsay. Assalamualaikum. Welcome, Sadiq. I think magkaiba tayo kasi shift halik yung sa inyo, 'di ba? Sa amin is sa Kuwait is Islamic. Hiya Sadiq. David Bra, can you speak Arabic too? Waalaikumsalam, Sadiq. Islamic, Sadiq, ako si Bitsay. Oh, yes. Guys, mag-i-stop na kami at maghahanap kami ng... Meron ba? Sino sabi? Meron ba? Guys, magbababay na muna kami kasi parang may mangyayari. Parang ang dami ng tao at alam mo naman, we're in Hong Kong. So, parang guys, parang medyo nakakatakot na. Baka may mga plano silang hindi maganda. So, magbababay na kami. Okay, thank you for coming here. And till next time, guys. Bye-bye muna. Kasi parang... Ha? O sige. Hindi ko muna i-stop, pero maghahanap kami ng way kasi dumadami na yung tao at hindi namin alam na baka may mga plano sila, alam mo naman, dito sa Hong Kong na dahil medyo okay na, may mga gumagawa na naman ng dating ginagawa nila. Hello, Anita Zulu, guys. Bago po dito, guys. Welcome po natin, Anita. Anita, may jacket ka na po. You're from po, Anita. Are you where are you from po? So, Anita, may jacket ka na po. Thank you so much sa time. Andito, what's up, Anita? Sabi ni Midzay. Oh, Zambia. Oh, thank you so much. Where's Zambia? Is Zambia? Anita Zuro, okay, from Zambia. Pwede ka... Anita Zolo, there's a lot underneath. There's Case Queen from Hong Kong, Koi Vlog from Canada, David Brocken from Australia, Explore with Easy is from Denmark. So, we have Kaagutano from Philippines, Marcel TV from Philippines. Ako si Bidzay is from Saudi, a Filipino in Saudi. Welcome here, Miss Anita. Thank you so much. Guys, let's welcome for the new here. Thank you so much. Ako si Bitsay. Ma'am Anita Zulu Okeke, guys, from Zambia. Wow, guys. Thank you, Anita. Welcome to Filipino community. We also have Australian here. David Bracken is from Australia. Thank you so much. Sorry if my voice is a bit slow and low because of my mask. Welcome, Anita. Sabi niya. Ako si Bitsay said, welcome, Miss Anita from Zambia. Welcome to Filipino community. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your time for being here. Hello, Miss Anita. Ako si Bitsay is saying something to you. So, since you already have a jacket, you can... Can you say link? My body is so busy, guys. Case clean. Oh, David Bracken. Koi Vlog is saying hi to you, Anita. Anita, David Bracken is saying hi to you. Miss Anita, you can drop your... Anita Zulu, Case Clean is saying hi to you. She already gave her jacket to you, Miss Anita. Oh, Miss Anita is already giving her jacket here, guys. Welcome, Miss Anita Zulu of Zambia, guys. Ako si Bitsay, sabi ni Marcel TV, napuntahan ka na niya at nabigyan ka na ng jacket. So ito ngayon, guys, ito ngayon nasa mall pa kami. Koi Vlog. Ako si Bitsay is saying, magbigay ka daw ng iyong Koi Vlog, where are you, Koi? Ako si Bitsay is may kailangan sa iyo, Koi. Anita Zulu Okiki. Case Queen already gave her jacket to you. Badit matukol, hi cute na dikit. Hi cute. Cute daw, sabi ni Koi.
Kape ko nila.
Oo nga, magkakape pa kami. Ito, walang kape dyan dahil sa kabila yata. Maghahanap kami ng kape. Wala ata. Wala lagi kape dia. Guys, ito na guys. Nag-aano na kami. Saan kami magkakape. Wala, di ba? Diha, sa pikas. Wala, may yata schedule karon diri.
Makdo ta.
Asa man ta agad to? Na may makdo diri sa una day, no?
Isa, dili ang makdo sa kawas.
Oh my God. Ha? Di ba di ay?
Oh, dili.
Dito man sa kabilang mall. Okay, guys. yung tour guide ko po, guys, hindi ko alam kung sabi niya magma-McDonald's daw kami. Teritoryo niya to dati. It's her territory before, but we are lost, baby boys. Are we lost, baby girls? Koi Vlog, sabi ni ako si Bidzay, wala ka daw, hindi ka niya makita. O si Koi Vlog, guys, sabi niya, siya na lang daw po yung pupunta. Saan na kami? Diyos ko, si Kiss Queen. Hindi niya alam kung saan kami pupunta, guys. Magkakape pa nga kami, kaya bumalik kami. Alam niya na. Yung tour guide ko, guys. Ito yung tour guide ko. We're heading to have coffee. We're looking for 7-Eleven or something McDonald's just to have coffee. Marcel TV, Anita Zulu Okiki already gave her jacket to you. Nasaag na mi, yes. Are we lost, baby girl? Are we lost, baby girl kami dito. Nasaag, ang laki kasi ng mall. The mall is very huge. So, where are we going? Anita Zulu Okiki of Zambia. Badit Matokol is saying hi to you and already gave her jacket to you. Welcome from Zambia. I hope you're all fine in Zambia. Koi Vlog, thank you, boss. Ay, mabait talaga yan si Koy Vlog. Ako si Bitzay. Ang bilis niya. Anita Zulu Okeki. Marcel TV is saying hi to you. Ang bango ng kape dito, guys. Coffee is life. Mahalo ni Diri ba? Guys, dito ako dinala sa mamahaling kape ni Kiss Queen. Can't afford kami dito. Ah, Diyos ko. Mami. Paano ko i-delete? Thank you guys sa mga paalala guys. Please, please. Huwag po mag-mention ng ganon. And hi cute. Nadikita na kita please guys. Please guys, kung may i-remove po ako, sorry po kasi bawal daw po yun guys.
Si Anita nagkuan.
Ha? There's a lot of words that we can't use, guys, but since we're all friends here, we all know what to do. So, I have to delete some of the comments, guys, okay? Don't worry. Everything are appreciated. Saan ba tayo? Can we friend? Guys, we're lost. We haven't have our coffee yet.
3 dots sa gilid.
Ha?
May 3 dots sa gilid.
Then,
Daw. Ito. Tapos i-click. Ano mo yan? Diyan mo, delete. Yan. Saan na siya? Tapos, 3 dots sa gilid.
ay, oo nga, badit matukol. Napapansin ko madami sa kanila pero hindi naman pinapagalitan. Pero pag tayo mga Pinoy, automatic, nawawala. Bakit ganyan? Kasi kahit mag-comment sila, ang dami nila, gumagamit sila ng emojis ng madami pero wala. Wala naman po. Wala pang may logo ng lolo dito.
Naalagi sa ko ah.
Aman.
Ano siya?
Asa?
Yan.
Welcome to live chat. Wala naman po. So far, wala naman. Wala naman pong ano.
Hindi na tayo makakape. Ginahinay na tagbuwag.
Ano man? Ay guys, hindi na pala daw kami magkakape. Kasi, ang layo. Madami lang naman. Mabilis lang naman kasi. Hindi makukompleto yung araw namin guys if walang coffee. Coffee is life. Miss Anita, my dear. Ako si Bidza is saying hi to you. I already gave her jacket to you. We're lost. This is McDonald's here.
Oh, tara.
Ay, kaya pala. Ay, ganun pala. Sa ating mga Pilipino, very stricto. Kaya dati akala ko, bakit ito sila hindi nagpa-follow? Pero hindi naman pinapagalitan. Oo, pero anong mangyayari? Badit matukol, may mangyayari ba pag ganon? Diyos ko, nakakatakot ko. First time ko pa naman to. Wala bang mangyayari? Pangapi na. Saan na mo pagpangapi nga? Nasaag man nga ng analita. Nung siya iyahan ng teritoryo. Bit na nila bang over? Dito na ni Dapat ba? Oh my God, we're lost. Lapos-lapos na daw niya. Nasaag naming nilibot.
Sige na, babay na.
Bye-bye na guys. Thank you so much sa kauras. Asa naman may ani mo gawas? Okay, David Bracken. Hi brother. Hi, salamat guys. Salamat kayo sa tanan guys. Mag-end na ko Explore with Easy. Salamat kaayo. Nasaag na kaayo mi. Di na nimo ang exit guys. Pero salamat kayo sa I love you all. Salamat kaayo. Asa na ko may exit ani day? Dire exit.
Asan ka na exit, anak?
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Asan ako mag-exit, ani, guys? Kaning ex na akong pisliton. Salamat kaayo. Hoy, asa na magita na analita? Salamat. Salamat kaayo.